Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OneDrive folders in File Explorer in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop and opening File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will launch the File Explorer window where you can access all your files and folders. Once your File Explorer window has opened, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find your navigation pane with all your main folders and drives. Look for the OneDrive icon in this left sidebar. It's usually represented by a blue cloud symbol and should be clearly labeled as OneDrive. Go ahead and click on this icon to open your OneDrive folder. After clicking on OneDrive, you'll now see all your files and folders that are currently synced with your OneDrive cloud storage. This integration allows you to access your cloud files directly from File Explorer, making it incredibly convenient to work with your documents without needing to open a browser or separate application. Everything you see here is either stored locally on your device or available to download from the cloud. Now here's where the real functionality comes in. Right-click on any file or folder within your OneDrive directory. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several useful options specifically designed for OneDrive management. These options give you powerful control over how you interact with your cloud storage directly from File Explorer. From this context menu, you have several key actions available. You can click on Manage Access to control who has permission to view or edit your files. This is particularly useful for collaborative work or sharing documents with specific people. You also have the View Online option, which opens the selected file or folder in your web browser through the OneDrive web interface, giving you access to additional features and settings. Additionally, you'll see an option to check version history. This feature is incredibly valuable as it allows you to see previous versions of your files and restore them if needed. It's a built-in safety net for your important documents. Finally, you have the Download and Keep this file on your device only option, which ensures the file is permanently stored locally on your computer rather than just being available through the cloud. And that's how you use OneDrive folders in File Explorer on Windows 11. You now have full access to manage your cloud storage directly from your file system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.